I completely didn't realize how useful a mason jar vacuum sealer could be until I started using this one, especially if it's for pantry foods and leftovers. This electric mason jar vacuum sealer makes it really easy to remove air from jars so food stays fresher longer without needing a big, bulky vacuum sealing machine. What I like most is how simple it is to use. You fill your mason jar with the food, place the lid on the jar, set the vacuum sealer on top, press the button, and let it seal automatically. It stops once the vacuum process is finished. It says to at least let it go 40 seconds in the instructions, so I did. The digital display makes it easy to see the progress, and the strong suction helps create a tight, airtight seal for both regular and wide-mouth mason jars. Many kits like this one seals jars in around 20 to 40 seconds with a one-touch operation. We were sent to test out, and I couldn't wait to do it. This was so cool to do. This is great for storing coffee, flour, sugar, rice, pasta, cereal, snacks, keeping fruit and vegetables fresher longer, or meal prep and leftovers. It's reducing food waste, and it's organizing pantry items in glass jars instead of in plastic containers. I mean, really, it's a win-win.